Zulfiya opa, siz haliyam yo'q deyishga shoshilmang. Rustam akanni qonuniy xotinisiz.
Yo'q, shunaqa.
Yoki unday emasmi? Arzimagan kelishmovchilikni deb arazlab o'tirishingiz yaxshi emas. Eringiz qarovsiz qolibdilar. Ertaga Xudoni oldida nima deb javob berasiz? O'zingiz uchun bo'lmasa ham.
Matlubaxon, ko'nglim sovib ketdi.
Bizni ham uyda bo'lib turadi bunaqa janjallar. Farzandingiz uchun kechiring. Endi janjal bo'lmagan uy bormi? Oilangizni tiklang.
Agar u uyga qaytib borsam,
Yo'q,
yana meros uchun kelgan deb
unaqa qilmaymiz. Rustam akani ahvollari
janjal chiqarishadi.
ularni Zulfiya judayam jiddiy. Tan olaman. Sizga ko'p yomonliklar qildim.
Bitta menga emas,
Dilingizni og'ritdim.
hammaga shunaqa qilasiz. Bilasizmi sizni nima deb atashadi?
Afsusdaman.
Anakonda deb atashadi. Rostini aytyapman-da.
Nima deyishadi?
Nima meni jonim olarmidilar? Hamma sizni yomon ko'radi.
Yo'q, bemalol. Gapiravering. Ochig'i, sirayam xafa emasman. Ilonga o'xshaymanmi?
Xuddi o'zisiz quyib qo'ygandek.
Zulfiya opa, rostdan ham
Shunaqa.
Yoki unday emasmi? Arzimagan kelishmovchilikni deb arazlab o'tirishingiz yaxshi emas. Eringiz qarovsiz qolibdilar. Ertaga Xudoni oldida nima deb javob berasiz? O'zingiz uchun bo'lmasa ham.
Matlubaxon, ko'nglim sovib ketdi.
Bizni ham uyda bo'lib turadi bunaqa janjallar. Farzandingiz uchun kechiring. Endi janjal bo'lmagan uy bormi? Oilangizni tiklang.
Agar u uyga qaytib borsam,
yo'q,
yana meros uchun kelgan deb
unaqa qilmaymiz. Rustam akani ahvollari
janjal chiqarishadi.
ularni Zulfiya judayam jiddiy. Tan olaman. Sizga
Today, I am reviewing a powerful and emotionally engaging drama that captures the audience from start to finish. This drama is not just a story, it's an experience filled with intense emotions, strong characters, and meaningful themes. First of all, the plot is highly gripping. It revolves around conflict, relationships, and unexpected twists that keep the audience curious. Each scene builds suspense and makes you want to know what happens next. The storyline flows smoothly and never feels boring. Now let's talk about the characters. The main characters are well developed and realistic. Their emotions, struggles, and decisions feel natural and relatable. The actors have delivered outstanding performances, bringing life to their roles with full energy and passion. Another strong point is the dialogue. The lines are powerful, expressive, and full of meaning. Some dialogues leave a deep impact on the viewer and stay in your mind even after the drama ends. The direction and visuals are also impressive. The scenes are beautifully presented, and the background music perfectly matches the mood, making emotional moments even more powerful. Most importantly, this drama delivers a strong message about life, relationships, and human emotions. It teaches valuable lessons and makes the audience think deeply. In conclusion, this drama is a complete package of entertainment, emotion, and meaning. I highly recommend it to anyone who enjoys quality storytelling. Furthermore, the pacing of the drama is perfectly balanced. It neither feels rushed nor too slow. Every episode adds something new to the story, keeping the audience fully engaged. The transitions between scenes are smooth, which makes the overall experience more enjoyable. In addition, the themes explored in the drama are very relevant to real life. Issues like love, sacrifice, betrayal, and personal growth are presented in a realistic way. This makes it easier for the audience to connect emotionally with the story. Another important aspect is the character development. As the drama progresses, we see clear growth and change in the personalities of the characters. Their journey feels meaningful and shows how experiences shape a person's decisions. And another remarkable feature of this drama is its use of symbolism and deeper meaning. Many scenes are not just shown for entertainment, but they carry hidden messages that reflect society and human nature. This adds intellectual value to the drama and makes it more than just a simple story. The background score and sound effects also play a vital role. The music rises at the right moments, creating tension, excitement, or sadness. It enhances the overall emotional experience and keeps the audience fully immersed. Moreover, the chemistry between the characters is natural and believable. Whether it is friendship, love, or conflict, every relationship is portrayed with realism. This strong connection between characters makes the drama more impactful and engaging. The drama also succeeds in maintaining consistency in storytelling. There are no major plot holes, and everything connects well from beginning to end. This shows the writer's skill and careful planning. In terms of audience impact, the drama has the ability to leave viewers thinking even after it ends. It raises important questions about life and encourages people to reflect on their own choices and actions. Additionally, the drama highlights moral lessons and values such as honesty, patience, and courage. These lessons are delivered in a subtle yet powerful way without feeling forced or preachy. If we compare this drama with others of the same genre, it clearly stands out due to its unique storyline and strong execution. It offers something fresh and different, which makes it memorable. Final verdict, extended. This drama is a perfect blend of entertainment, emotion, and meaningful storytelling. With its strong plot, brilliant performances, and deep message, it successfully captures the hearts of the audience. It is not just a drama to watch, but a story to feel and remember. Overall rating, 9/10. This drama is a remarkable piece of storytelling that successfully combines emotion, entertainment, and meaningful life lessons. From the very beginning, it captures the viewer's attention and maintains interest until the final scene. It is not just an ordinary drama, but a complete, artistic experience that leaves a lasting impression on the audience. To begin with, the plot structure is carefully designed and highly engaging. The story develops in a logical and well-organized manner, where each event leads naturally to the next. The presence of conflict, suspense, An unexpected twist keeps the audience curious and emotionally invested. The writer has done an excellent job in maintaining continuity and avoiding unnecessary complications in the storyline. Moving on, the introduction of the drama is very strong. It sets the tone effectively and gives a clear idea about the theme and direction of the story. The opening scenes are powerful enough to grab attention and create curiosity, which is an important element in any successful drama. One of the most impressive aspects is the characterization. The characters are not flat or one-dimensional. Instead, they are complex and realistic. Each character has a distinct personality, background, and motivation. The main character, in particular, goes through a significant journey, facing challenges and growing stronger with time. Supporting characters also play an important role in shaping the story and adding depth to the narrative. The acting performances deserve special appreciation. The actors have portrayed their roles with great dedication and natural expression. Their body language, facial expressions, and dialogue delivery make the scenes more believable and emotionally powerful. It feels as if the characters are real people rather than fictional creations.